Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just have some updates on my 6-liter. So here's what we got going on. We got the back plate on, new rear main seal installed with ARP bolts holding the flex plate adapter onto the crank. Flow damper is on with ARP bolts. Bulletproof diesel water pump is in. And now we're getting ready to put our heads on. So these are ARP 625s. Get that to focus. There we go. And this is a Molly gasket set. So the deck's all prepped, ready to go. Got our studs threaded in and then backed off a little bit so they're still loose in there. Got my rocker boxes, well, the one side anyway, all sandblasted, cleaned up. Got to decide what color to paint this. I'm thinking maybe black, but we'll see on that. Getting ready to unbox my power-driven diesel heads. Now, these heads are something a little special. They are ported, they are O-ringed, they also have race valves. So this truck is going to flow a huge amount of air. So that will be... those will be something special when we get those bolted onto it. Next step is to get our valve train ready to go. So I have new rockers and clips for the ones that are seized up and not moving, like this one is also worn. I also have new bridges for the ones that are worn, like this one here. You can see that is all grooved up. No good. No good at all. So yeah, hopefully get this thing running. I'm hoping in the next few months. I gotta decide what I want to do on the transmission. But if I can make that happen, this thing is gonna be super sweet. Lots more parts going into it. I got my turbos here. I got a whole bunch of stuff from Bless Performance. I got my injectors here, waiting for a high pressure oil pump. And then we can get rolling on her. But first things first, got to get these heads on and everything like that. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you'd like this little update. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and subscribe on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.